Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Welcome back to Panther Wave, Life Rolling in a Crown Vic. Another maintenance series. I kept noticing that my upper radiator hose, which I just took off, it may be the original one, but you see how flimsy that is? It kept on collapsing every time that it would go cool. It would start to cool off, it would start to collapse. So, see how I just barely pinch it? How weak that is. Alright, and here's a new one. I barely squeezing. Let's compare it. Same pressure. So I think that's my fix here. Like I say, I put in upgraded my thermostat to 180 degree thermostat. Flushed the coolant, put new coolant in it. Burped the system, heat works. I'm like, man, why does my hose keep collapsing? So I said, well, let me just go ahead and put a new hose on it. So that's what we're doing. Make sure I get the right orientation. I think that'll work. Alright. Alright, my Panther Wave riders. So here it is the next morning after after draining the coolant down a little bit so I can remove the upper radiator hose and install this new upper radiator hose. And my issue was I was having a collapsed hose issue. And in the first clip I showed you that the hose was just very, very weak. So new hose, first morning. As you can see, coolant level, that's where it pretty much should be. I'm gonna add it just a little bit more, just so I can just put it right in this range here. But looking at my hose, it's not collapsing. So I installed a 180 degree thermostat. New intake, got a tune, new upper radiator hose. Think we're good to go. Y'all keep enjoying them Panthers.